Hello everyone. Today we will show you how to use anti-fog cleaning cloth and how it will be after cleaning it. This is anti-fog cleaning cloth, and this is normal optical frame, and this is hot water. First, we open the bag and take out the anti-fog cleaning cloth. We just use it as a normal cleaning cloth, microfiber cleaning cloth. So we just clean this side, and we will compare with another side. Okay. So this side, we put on the hot water. You see, no fog. But this side, you see. Wow, you see, you can see nothing. This side, amazing, right? Amazing. So this side I will clean again now, and to see how it will be after cleaning. Okay, magic. Magic, you see? Wow, good. Thank you.